Hey there, fellow parents. Welcome back to the channel. If you're a new parent, you probably have a million questions running through your mind. One big one I hear all the time is, when do I actually need to start brushing my baby's teeth? It's a great question, and you've come to the right place for answers. Today, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about your child's oral health from day one. So, grab your coffee, and let's get started. So, when should you start brushing your child's teeth? The simple answer, according to the American Dental Association and pediatric dentists, is as soon as that very first tooth pops through the gums. For most babies, this happens around 6 months of age, but it can be earlier or later, and that's perfectly normal. The moment you see that tiny little white cap emerge, it's go time. Starting early sets the foundation for a lifetime of healthy habits and helps prevent cavities right from the beginning. But what about before any teeth show up? Does oral care matter then? Absolutely. You don't have to wait for teeth to start a good oral hygiene routine. Cleaning your baby's gums is a fantastic way to get them used to having their mouth cleaned. Plus, it clears away milk residue and bacteria. All you need is a soft, damp washcloth or a piece of sterile gauze wrapped around your finger. Gently wipe your baby's gums at least twice a day, especially after feedings and before bedtime. It's a simple, gentle process that makes the transition to a toothbrush much smoother later on. Okay, that first tooth has arrived. It's an exciting milestone. Now, what kind of toothbrush and toothpaste should you use? For infants, you'll want to find a toothbrush with a tiny head and super soft bristles, specifically designed for babies. Some parents love silicone finger brushes because they give you great control and are very gentle on tender gums. When it comes to toothpaste, this is really important. For any child under the age of 3, you only need a tiny smear of fluoride toothpaste, about the size of a single grain of rice. I know it sounds like almost nothing, but that's the perfect amount. Once your child turns 3 and can reliably spit, you can increase this to a pea-sized amount. Fluoride is a key ingredient for strengthening enamel and fighting cavities, but it's crucial to use the correct amount for their age. Now, let's talk about the how. How do you brush a baby's teeth properly? The key is to be gentle and quick. Position yourself comfortably, maybe with your baby lying on their back on a changing table or sitting in your lap with their head resting against your chest. This gives you a good view of their mouth. Use that tiny smear of toothpaste and gently brush all surfaces of the tooth, the front, the back, and the chewing surface. Use small circular motions. Don't forget to gently brush the gum line as well. The whole process should only take about 2 minutes, but with a baby who only has 1 or 2 teeth, it'll be much faster. Just be thorough. Try to do this twice a day, ideally in the morning and right before bed. This helps remove plaque and any food particles before they can cause problems overnight. As your baby grows into a toddler, brushing can become, well, a bit of a challenge. Suddenly they have opinions. So, how do you make brushing fun and avoid those nightly battles? The first tip is to lead by example. Let your toddler see you brushing your own teeth and make it seem like the best part of your day. Kids love to imitate their parents. You can also turn it into a game. Try singing a special 2-minute toothbrushing song or use a fun timer. There are tons of apps and YouTube videos designed just for this. Let them pick out their own toothbrush with their favorite character on it. This gives them a sense of ownership and makes them more excited to use it. You can even pretend you're a sugar bug hunter on a mission to find and brush away all the pesky sugar bugs hiding on their teeth. Getting creative is your best tool here. The goal is to create a positive, stress-free routine. Now, let's touch on some expert dental care tips that go beyond just brushing. The American Academy of Pediatric Dentistry recommends that your child should have their first dental visit by their first birthday or within 6 months of their first tooth erupting. This is often called a well-baby checkup for their teeth. It allows the dentist to make sure everything is developing correctly and gives you a chance to ask any questions you have. It also helps your child get comfortable in a dental office from a very young age. Another huge tip is to be mindful of what your baby drinks. Avoid putting your baby to bed with a bottle of milk, formula, or juice. The sugars in these drinks can sit on their teeth all night, leading to something called baby bottle tooth decay, which can be quite severe. If you do give a bottle at bedtime, make sure it's only water after they've finished their milk and you've brushed their teeth. As your child starts eating solid foods, try to offer a balanced diet and limit sugary snacks and drinks. Remember, it's not just about the amount of sugar, but how frequently they consume it. Every time they have a sugary snack, it creates an opportunity for acid to attack their teeth. Offering healthier snacks and drinking water is a win-win for their overall health and their smile. So let's recap the key takeaways. Start cleaning your baby's gums with a soft cloth even before teeth appear. Begin brushing with a rice grain-sized smear of fluoride toothpaste as soon as that first tooth pops through. Use a soft baby-friendly toothbrush. Brush twice a day for 2 minutes, making sure to get all surfaces of the teeth. And finally, make it fun. Turn brushing into a positive part of their daily routine. Establishing these habits early is one of the best gifts you can give your child. You're not just preventing cavities, you're teaching them a crucial life skill and setting them up for a lifetime of good oral health. Remember, consistency is key. There will be days when your toddler is not having it, and that's okay. Just do your best and try again next time. You've got this. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you found these tips helpful and feel more confident about your little one's dental care routine. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider sharing it with other parents who might benefit from it. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more parent-friendly guides and tips. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. See you in the next video.